So in this video, I'll be showing you how to link your Wellwin's Meet account to your PS account. This is so that if you ever decide you want to stop playing on PC, Android or iOS, you can easily go ahead and continue playing on PS without any worries about your progression in-game. So the first step is to go ahead and open up the menu and then select Settings. Under Settings, you want to switch all the way to the section labeled Other, and then you should see Bind Account. Go ahead and select it. Once you've selected it, it will bring you this pop-up menu where it gives you your current account that you're using and then alternatives that you can use to bind your account. So go ahead and select the PSN account or your PS account and select Link. Now, all you need to do is simply copy the URL directly, like so, and then go ahead and open it in your favorite browsing app. So say for example, you go to Chrome and then simply copy the URL right there and enter. From here, all you need to do now is just sign in with your PS account. And then wait for the verification code to get into your email and verify. Once you've gone through the steps for verification, you should be brought to the page that allows you to bind your Wellwin's Meet account to your PS account. So go ahead and wait. And then once it's been successfully linked, all you need to do is simply return to the game and you've successfully binded your PS account to your Wellwin's Meet. So now you can go ahead and continue playing, and any progress you make here, if you decide to continue on PS, it will be there with a cross progression feature successfully enabled. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.